Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is October 28th, 2015, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the markets today, let's start with the economic calendar. First things coming out, 8 p.m., we have an FOMC statement coming out today, major number coming out of the U.S., and that's at 8 p.m. South African time. And then at 10 p.m., we have a number coming out of New Zealand dollar. It's a cash rate number, also a major number for the New Zealand dollar. So all in all, it could be a very exciting day today looking at the markets. So let's start out with the Euro USD. As we can see here, we're at the bottom of this range in the Euro USD, just above 1.142 here, just above 1.1. And these thresholds have pretty much kept in place. So we discussed this yesterday as we came in to this 110 level. We breached it a little bit and then we bounced right off. So considering with the numbers coming out today, maybe this was taking down in order to take it back up. But just realize that this red number of 110 isn't etched in stone. So, it could break down below it. But all in all, you can see that we've been trading in this pattern for quite a while. On the extreme negative side, it's 108.35. So keep in mind that we could bounce here today, and it could be kind of an exciting trade. So I would definitely have this on my radar today, especially with some of the things that have been coming out of the U.S. Looking at the GBP USD, we're in the middle of the range here. Nothing to write home about necessarily as something that sticks out. But like I said, this could have been sold off in order to take it higher. So I'm not particularly bullish, not particularly bearish. Just it's a opportunity in the sense that it's sold off where it's hit certain thresholds. And, we could say that this is another threshold of 154.84 up here where we've hit it a few times, breached it a few times. But it is a significant number, but we're right in the middle of that right now. We're in 153. So, you have a couple of cases scenario. If we rally today, maybe short it at 154. If we sell off to 151, maybe buy it, to play the fade of the opposite direction. So that's another option that you can do there. All in all, looking at the USD CAD here, not much to write home. Just a little bit of a rush in the past couple of weeks, as you can see here, from 128 to 132. But from yesterday, not much going on as we're taking a breather. But these are beautiful graphs. This is really, this is what we'd love to see when we're trading. This range right here, but the sell-off, pullback, rally, pullback, rally, pullback, rally. We may be coming to the end of it right here, but yet to be seen. And I would keep an eye on that today to see what's going on with the dollar later today. So please be aware of that today in what's going on. Looking at, let's start with the Dow Jones first. Not much to write home yesterday. We sold off maybe 40 points last night, and we've made it back up to 17,523. We're about only 500 points away from 18,000, right back to our highs. So the question is, will they rally this into the end of the year, considering some of the positive feedback that we were getting about, some of the stocks having better than expected returns this quarter? This could really be something that could actually actualize and happen going into the end of the year. So you might want to look for that. Looking at oil, just trickling down, and it's below $44. This is a major threshold, as we've seen before, and it looks like it's selling off and staying below it. So that could mean that we're going to test this $38 a barrel, and as you can see, it's been kind of weak, and could have taken this nice move right here with this this bounce and then this sell-off right here. So all in all, still bearish on oil. In the nutshell, it's still very, very weak. Let's look at the New Zealand dollar because of the numbers that's coming out today. We're here at 0.67, selling off a little bit at a bottom of a range. Let's set up the graphs so we can have a better understanding of it. To say that it's trading in this range is fair to say. So we may have a couple of options that come up today. Let's wait for it to populate. Here we go. We've had this big rally as the dollar's gotten stronger, and now we find this right here in this little trading range. We're at the bottom of the range right now, so that is a certain threshold, and it is a little bit more validated because we've hit this level before. So I would expect some sort of bounce off of it, but if we do breach it, we could definitely see it going back to 0.65, 80, 84-ish level. Okay, so a couple of options for you if you're trading tonight at 10 p.m. South African time. You might want to look into trading this pair. My name is Razak. I want to just thank you for joining us today. Have a great trading day. Thank you.